Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Shopify store for vendor links. First, choose a Shopify plan that aligns with your business goals. Next, secure a memorable domain name for your brand. Then, complete the initial store setup by entering your basic store information and currency settings. This foundational step ensures your store is ready for product integration and customization. Now, let's add your vendor products. For each item, create a new product listing in your Shopify admin. In the product description, embed the direct vendor link where customers can purchase the item. It's crucial to clearly inform customers that clicking the link will take them to the vendor's website to complete their transaction, ensuring transparency. Next, personalize your store's appearance. Select a Shopify theme that resonates with your brand and target audience. Customize the layout, colors, and fonts to create a cohesive and professional look. Focus on optimizing your product pages to ensure clear navigation and easy access to vendor links, providing a smooth experience for your visitors. Finally, it's time to launch and promote your store. Before going live, meticulously test every vendor link to confirm they redirect correctly. Share your new Shopify store across your social media platforms and other relevant channels. Consider implementing targeted marketing strategies, such as email campaigns or paid advertisements, to reach a wider audience and drive traffic.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.